The city of Sydney, located in Australia, is a vibrant and iconic destination that attracts millions of tourists every year. Known for its stunning scenery, Sydney offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. The city's panorama is dominated by iconic landmarks such as the Sydney Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. These architectural structures not only showcase Sydney's unique charm, but also serve as symbols of its cultural significance. Sydney's tourism industry thrives on its rich cultural heritage and cosmopolitan atmosphere. The city offers many museums, art galleries and historical sites that showcase Australia's fascinating history and indigenous heritage. Visitors to the city often highlight Sydney's friendly locals, clean streets and efficient public transportation system. The city's commitment to sustainability and environmental initiatives has earned it recognition as one of the most livable cities in the world. In terms of transportation infrastructure and accessibility for tourists, Sydney has a well-developed network of trains, buses, ferries, and bike rental services. This allows travelers to explore different parts of the city conveniently. Sydney is famous for its multicultural influence. With an abundance of choices, from trendy cafes to fine dining restaurants showcasing multicultural cuisine, food lovers will be spoiled for choice in Sydney. Whether you are planning a short visit or an extended stay in this vibrant city, Sydney promises an unforgettable experience. Hospitable locals, stunning scenery and endless opportunities to explore make it a must-visit destination in Australia.